Good afternoon, children. Today we will learn the concept subtraction without borrowing. See the next video clip carefully, after which I will ask you few questions.
Wow! Pizza!
How many slices of pizza were there? There were 8 slices of pizza, out of which 4 slices were eaten. Now, how many slices are still left? In order to find how many slices are still left, we will subtract 4 from 8. The symbol that we use for subtraction is minus. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Let's check the answer with the help of the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 slices are still left. The process of calculating the difference between two or more numbers or things is called as subtraction. Ajit has 257 rupees. He gave 150 rupees to Manoj. How much money is still left with Ajit? Let's subtract the numbers in a tabular format. How much money does Ajit have? Correct. Ajit has 257 rupees. How much money did Ajit give Manoj? You are correct. Ajit gave 150 rupees to Manoj. Now that we have written the numbers in their respective columns, it's time to subtract. Let's start subtracting the numbers in the units column. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Always remember, when we subtract 0 from any number, the difference will be the number itself. Next is the tens column. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. If we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Lastly, let's subtract the numbers in the hundreds column. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 257 minus 150 is equal to 107. Ajit has 257 rupees. He gave 150 rupees to Manoj. Now 107 rupees is still left with Ajit. Remember, in subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. 295 minus 74. Write the bigger number above the smaller number. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Since we have just one number in the hundreds place, we will write the number as it is. 295 minus 74 is equal to 221. When we subtract 0 from any number, the difference will be the number itself. Example, 784 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Since we do not have any other number except 8 in the tens place, we will write the number 8 as it is. In the same way, we will write the number 7 in the hundreds answer section. Therefore, 784 minus 0 is equal to 784. Or we may also say 0 subtracted from 784 is equal to 784. If we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Let's subtract 139 from 139. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 139 minus 139 is equal to 0. Open your mathematics notebook. Write today's date. Classwork. Topic: subtraction without borrowing. Draw two horizontal lines to highlight the topic. Arrange the numbers vertically and subtract. A. 654 minus 200. In the number 654, 4 is in the units place, 5 is in the tens place, and 6 is in the hundreds place. In the number 200, 0 is in the units place as well as the tens place, and 2 is in the hundreds place. Do not forget to put the subtraction symbol. Let's start by subtracting the numbers in the units column. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Tens column. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Lastly, hundreds column. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 654 minus 200 is equal to 454. Or we may also say 200 subtracted from 654 is equal to 454. Write the answer in figures and words. B. 458 minus 44. In the number 458, 8 is in the units place, 5 is in the tens place, and 4 is in the hundreds place. In the number 44, 4 is in the units place as well as the tens place. Let's start by subtracting the numbers in the units column. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Next is the tens column. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Lastly, hundreds column. We will write the number 4 as it is. 458 minus 44 is equal to 414, or 44 subtracted from 458 is equal to 414. Children, remember to erase the initials of the place value. C. 955 minus 415. In the number 955, 5 is in the units place as well as the tens place, and 9 is in the hundreds place. In the number 415, 5 is in the units place, 1 is in the tens place, and 4 is in the hundreds place. As always, we'll start by subtracting the numbers in the units column. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 955 minus 415 is equal to 540, or 415 subtracted from 955 is equal to 540. Now that you know how to subtract the numbers in vertical arrangement, it's time for you to solve your homework. Keep practicing.